What's going on, guys? I asked on Instagram if you guys wanted to see me vlog the process of wrapping this car, and a lot of people actually surprisingly said yes. I didn't think you guys were going to want to see this, but since you guys did, I'm going to bring you guys along with me. Now, as you guys can tell by the title of the video, this will be my first time ever using TinyBot vinyl. I've used a few other brands, but never TinyBot. I'm kind of excited. They got a lot of cool colors, and I can't wait to show you guys what color that this Volkswagen CC is going to end up. As some of you guys know, I do vinyl wrap on the side. It's not a main thing. I just kind of do it here and there. But car itself, they're bringing me new fenders. So if you guys see the rust on it, don't worry about it. They're bringing new ones. And I fixed a little bit of rust damage. But other than that, the car's just washed. Even though it looks disgusting, I didn't fully get to wipe it down. I need to still do that. But besides that, I got a little bit more stuff to take apart. And mainly in the front end. But I'm going to start out with laying down the hood, just kind of get a feel for the material. I always like to do the hoods first just because it allows you to kind of like play with material because it's not really a hard panel to wrap. Also, if you guys notice, the lighting is 1,000 times better in here. I finally went out and bought LED lights I got this side done. And then some of these lights were like half lit up. It was really weird. I didn't know they're on a circuit. So like the two outers had to be working and the two middles. I learned by like playing with it. But for the side I'm gonna be wrapping on, it's all bright. I love it. I'm so excited because I can actually see what I'm doing now and the video doesn't look all fuzzy because of the yellow lights. That side still has the yellow lights. I'm gonna get to it eventually, but eventually it's all gonna have brand new light fixtures up there. So it's kind of more of a temporary thing. I threw a banner up that I had just sitting in here. Overrated. Love the homies over there. But let's just get started into this. Last night when I started on the hood, it was really late and I probably shouldn't have started on it, but I started on it anyway. So today's the next day. Today's actually Easter night. I'm just now starting. As you guys saw, I just laid out the quarter panel. Now I gotta trim it. For me, trimming is actually one of the harder parts. I don't know why. It just takes me way longer to trim it than it does to lay it. But I'm just like OCD. I don't like certain ways, certain things looking certain ways. I'm no professional, by the way. I should mention that. No way am I a professional. I do this on the side as a hobby. Like, just look at it. You see blue, and then all of a sudden you see purple, and you can get a little bit of a gold. Here, I can get it on the hood. I don't know how, yeah, there you go. You can kind of see a gold. Dude, this color is just sweet, and I'm so glad she went with this color. So, like, where does it actually start? Okay, so that's an roll. And this just ends. Oh, it's taped to it. I didn't realize that. Okay, well, that seems yeah.
Maybe take a picture of it.
I got it on video. Alright. I've never seen this before. Multiple sheets in a roll. Alright, let's just lay this on top of the car.
You need a trunk of this, maybe?
I'll find something. So I'm gonna start to do the door handle. I I want to get this side pretty much put back together before I start on the other side. But normally I'll do the door handle in one piece. I'm going to try my best to kind of show you guys how I do it. But this time, because this film is not as, it likes to peel back more than like cast film, like cheetah wrap, Avery, stuff like that, because it's a little more thicker. So I'm going to put a piece on the back and then wrap to it rather than trying to do this all in one piece. I just want to have less points to fail, if you know what I'm talking about. So I'm going to try my best to show you guys. Got the door handle finished, and I'm pretty happy about how this turned out. Got the other one done, got the little caps that go behind it done. We're cruising on in, and this is gonna be a very busy month, so I'm trying to record, but not get behind. It just takes a little bit longer to set up camera angles and remember to record. But so far, I'm actually really happy with the way this TinyBot's turning out. The finish is sweet. Using material is actually pretty nice. I don't know if I showed you guys, but I got these two doors done. Only thing on this side I have to do is the mirror and the side skirt still. Oh, and this fender, but they're bringing me the new one still, so I can't do nothing about it yet. We've had some really nice days here in Ohio. It's getting a little bit later now. We had a guy here pricing out to get air conditioning installed in the house, and I forgot to pick up the camera, but I laid out this panel, and I'm going to throw on a time lapse. I know there's been a lot of time lapses in this video, but from what I heard from all the replies on my story that wanted me to vlog this video, a lot of people said they love vinyl wrap time lapse, like seeing how it all lays out together. So that's kind of why I'm doing it. If it's too much, let me know. I can always change and adjust how I'm gonna do these videos. If you guys want to see more, obviously. If you guys don't want to see more, I won't do it besides my own cars or something. But if this is something you guys like, I'll continue to do it. Maybe do tips and tricks and bunch of other stuff like that. Try and help you guys if you guys want to start learning how to wrap. But as I said, I'm no professional, but I can definitely give out pointers. And some people do their trunks in one piece. I like the two-piece mine. It minimizes the airs. And if you do it right, you'll never know that there's a seam there. I mean, if you know, like I'm showing you guys, so you guys all know it's there now. But if you do it properly on a body line, it will be so hard to tell, and no one's ever gonna notice, like, honestly. Because you're gonna be like this, looking at the car, and it's just ever so slightly down. So no one knows it's there. But this color, dude, I just can't get over the finish on this TinyBot film. It looks insane, especially now that like majority of the car is this color. Like, just look at this. There's so many different colors you're seeing. And I love how they kept some of the black accents. I really think it makes it where it's not too much, but like the right amount with the black, with the black roof still. But yeah, I can't wait to get this thing out in the sunlight. This mirror took too damn long. This, I probably had to redo like 3 or 4 times. Like I said, the one thing that I'm like finding out about TinyBot is it's a nice film, has an amazing finish on it, but like stretched areas or like recessed areas where you need the stretch, it doesn't stick down like some other films. Obviously this is I believe a calendar film. It's not like cast film like this and the cruise. So it's a little bit different, and a lot of them are harder to work with. So it's not just TinyBot. So I don't even remember what the last thing I recorded was, but everything is back together. Door panels, door handles, the trim, everything on the car is finished besides this skirt. All I'm waiting on is Kayla to get home from work, and then she's gonna help me wrap this, because it's just easier 2 people. If she holds up the one end, I probably will record this one because I don't think I recorded the other side. I'm just really rushing because I still need to rewrap parts of this car. And outside I have another car that needs to be done for the Slam Dunk Ohio, just like these cars. This one still needs stuff rewrapped on it. And that car out there is a Genesis Coupe, and it hasn't even started on it being wrapped. And I got about 2 weeks, which I should be able to do. But I'm finally glad this one's done. This one turned out amazing. I'm officially done with the whole car. All the trim's on. Everything's put back together. And I gotta say, this color is phenomenal. And as you guys saw also, I didn't mention it, but Brett came in, polished the roof. I had him record a little bit while he was doing it. Nailed it. Shout out to Elevated Detailing, as always. But yeah, guys, let me know what you guys think about this wrap.